Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can turn off the sensitive content option on Twitter, or the X application as it is now called. First of all, we cannot do this from the application. So we have to open our browser. You can use any browser. I will use Safari. When we open Google, we will search for Twitter so that we can still find it under that name. If we just click, the search engine would take us to the application. To avoid that, we will keep on the Twitter search and choose to open in a new window. When we have opened Twitter and signed in, we will click on the icon of our profile in the upper left corner. From the options menu, we will select Settings and Support. When a new list of options opens, we will find the Privacy and Safety option. We click. In the new window, we will select the Content You See option. Here we have to change two options. First, we will mark the Display Media that may contain sensitive content checkbox. The next thing we need to do is open the Search Settings option and disable the Hide Sensitive Content option. When you finish this, double-check that you have done all the steps correctly. If so, this is how you turned off the sensitive content option. If you like this video, leave a like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.